Hi friends, I am in the process of putting these papers into a new journal. I love making my own journals, and so I just thought I'd share the last little bit with you and show you how I go about tying my papers in. So this is a chunk of paper. I've already kind of just stitched it real quick just to hold it together so it's not moving around while I'm working with it. This is called a signature. So if you look in books, you'll have like stacks of signatures that create your book. So this is called a signature, and I already have put several into this book, this journal that I have, but I have this last one left, so I thought I'd share with you how I do it. So I like messy, I like vintage, I like it like uneven, I like strings hanging out, and so that's kind of how I am, and this is what you'll see. So I have a book binding kit that comes with needles and threads and scissors and rulers and all that good stuff. So that's where this thread came from. It's a waxed thread. It's nice and sturdy. So just as a rule of thumb, I do 2 lengths and then I cut it. Okay, I have a ginormous needle that comes with the kit, and thread that, find the center, which paper? This one, this cookbook piece. Okay, center it on my page as best I can, and find the center of this page right in the crook of the paper, and it's nice and tight up against the crook of this the back of this binding, and just shove it on through. So it takes a little work to get it through, but pull it so you've got, a couple inches yet coming out. So the next one, you have to go backwards. So what we're going to do is zigzag in and out of the spine of this piece. So I have an awl that also came with the kit. I kind of do what I just did with a needle. I eyeball it. They don't have to be even. If you want to make it more precise, you could, measure out specific amounts on this, but I just eyeball mine. I don't care if it's quite even or not. So I'm just going to do the same as I did with the needle. I'm going to shove it through, and where that pops through on that side, I'm going to take my needle and pop it back through on this side, pull it through, and hold this, pull it tight. And again, I actually do like a long one here and a short one here. So you'll end up with 5 holes going down the spine of your paper. So again, shove this through. As you can see, I reinforced this with fabric. You don't necessarily have to, but I just wanted to make sure that it didn't come loose. Okay, so pull that one tight, and you go back through your second hole. So again, you're zigzagging your way down your spine. So you start in the middle, you go up, then come back down, go all the way down to the bottom, go back through your first hole. Okay, now we're going to keep going down the book of the spine, and so I'm going to say if that's like 1.5 inches or so, I'm going to eyeball it about that amount, shove that all through, poke my needle through. I can get it. Give it a wiggle, and nice and tight. Again, this is maybe 3/4 to 1/2 to 1 inch, and so I'm going to go down about that much again. Shove that through. Pull hard. My hands are full of lotion. It does not want to go. shove it back up through that 4th hole that we created. Okay, so you can see stitch, stitch, stitch. We're going to come back up to the middle, pull our needle out, and then tie a knot. Now, I like to keep this knot in place. This isn't how everybody binds, but this is how I bind. So I slide this string up around the here so that this knot stays right in the center. Okay, and that's it. Cut her off. Again, I like the strings. This string could be used for a tag or some other thing. And so here we have all the signatures in here. I'll just do a quick flip. Yep, we have time to do that. So this is the bottom of a paper bag. There's a little pocket here. If we open it up, there's a pocket here. Some papers. I'm totally not done with this yet, but there's a little, it's not quite a pocket, it's a little band that you can tuck things in. 1 pocket, 2 pockets, flip it, here's another pocket, more paper, pocket on the outside, more paper, pocket on the outside, and the back. And then you flip it over, and there's another pocket. Here's a band you can tuck things into. Here's another tuck spot, another tuck spot, more paper, another pocket. Here's another pocket, and no, that's on this side. There's a pocket. And come through with more paper. There's a pocket up here, and then we're back to the beginning. So that is my latest junk journal. It's not done. There was lots more that I want to do to this, but this is the basis of it. And so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, thanks for watching.